um, Beksy's traveling wave theory. So, what is this Beksy's traveling wave theory? The Beksy suggested that the sound wave which falls on the tympanic membrane reaches the brain through a wave, but the wave is created in the basilar membrane. In the same wave pattern, the neuronal information reaches the brain, that is the cerebral cortex, superior temporal gyrus, in a wave pattern. So how is this wave actually generated? Let us understand this. When the sound wave, that is a mechanical energy, falls in the tympanic membrane, the tympanic membrane is set into motion, we all know that. Then the auricular chain will vibrate back and forth. This auricular chain, malleus, incus and stapes. The footplate of stapes goes in and out of the cochlea like a piston, creating one wave in the endolymphatic fluid. That endolymphatic fluid will now move the membrane. Which membrane? Basilar membrane. So if you consider this as a basilar membrane, okay, this is a basal turn, middle turn, and this is the apical turn. So if you move this in the form of a wave, so I'll move it now. So it's creating a wave, right? It's called traveling wave. So if it is a low amplitude, sound wave, see, please observe, if it is low amplitude, the amplitude, as we do this, it is maximum in the apical turn. It's maximum of this level from here till here. I'll show you one more time. So if it is a low frequency sound, the wave is created in the basilar membrane. Maximum amplitude of the wave is coming near the apical turn. So if it is a high frequency sound, see, maximum amplitude is coming here only. Observe one more time. See, maximum amplitude comes at the level of basal turn for the high frequency sound. For intermediate frequency sound, the maximum amplitude is coming at the intermediate level. So for high frequency sound, in the traveling wave theory, the maximum amplitude of wave is coming at the basal turn. For low frequency sound, when you do like this, take one bedsheet and do like this now. So you will see in low frequency sound, the maximum amplitude will come at the end of the bedsheet. Okay, that is in high frequency and low frequency sound. In high frequency, you do like this, it will end up here only, maximum amplitude. That is near the basal turn. In intermediate frequency, the maximum amplitude of the sound wave is now in the middle turn of the basilar membrane. If you understand this is a traveling wave theory. It's a most accepted theory of hearing. So based on this, the number of neurons stimulated at the basal turn for high frequency, at the apical turn for the low frequency, and intermediate turn for the intermediate frequency, all these will reach the neuronal area, superior temporal gyrus, auditory cortex, in the form of a traveling wave. This is called traveling wave theory.